Hey everyone, in this video I'm sharing one of my go-to lower body routines to boost strength and build muscle. I'll break down the reasoning behind the exercises I've chosen so you can see how to get incredible results with efficient and effective movements. We'll cover everything: exercise selection, sets, reps, and the order of exercises. Let's dive in. Alright, to kick things off, the first movement in this workout is the machine hip thrust. I prioritize this exercise because it's great for activating the posterior chain, targeting the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, while effectively warming up the lower body for the multi-joint and accessory movements to come. Weakness in the glutes and hamstrings is often the reason people struggle with major lifts like back squats or deadlifts. So starting with this movement helps address that and set the tone for the rest of the workout. For reps and sets, I begin with 1 to 2 warm-up sets at sub-maximal weights, keeping the reps in the 6 to 8 range. This allows me to feel the muscle activating without overtaxing it ahead of the heavier sets. Then I move into 3 challenging working sets of 8 reps each, focusing on controlled, effective execution to maximize results. For technique, keep your eyes looking straight ahead to avoid overarching your back, which can lead to discomfort or injury. This helps you focus on maximum glute contraction. A key cue is to lift with your glutes and stop when your torso forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Up next is the Bulgarian split squat, which serves as the big multi-joint free weight movement in this workout. It's a love-hate exercise for many, myself included, but it's an excellent choice if you have lower back issues, as it reduces the axial load stress caused by barbell squatting. Plus, as a unilateral single leg movement, it's great for isolating and stimulating muscles. The way I'm performing it with my shins kept perpendicular to the floor places the majority of the focus on the glutes. So keep that in mind as a key tip. Similar to the hip thrust, I start with 1 to 2 warm-up sets as a sub-maximal load to prepare for the heavier working sets. Then I perform 3 working sets with a challenging weight, aiming for an RPE of 7 to 8. This approach aligns perfectly with hypertrophy goals, building muscle and strength effectively. Next, I shift focus to isolation to really target the large hamstring muscles. For hypertrophy, seated leg curls are a great choice because they place the emphasis entirely on the hamstring without needing stabilization from accessory muscles. I start with 1 to 2 warm-up sets using a moderate weight, then push my hamstrings to their limit with an RPE of 8 to 9 out of 10. RPE stands for rate of perceived exertion, which is a great tool for tailoring your training to your individual capabilities. For this exercise, an RPE of 8 to 9 means stopping just before failure, ensuring you're working hard enough without overexerting. From a technique standpoint, I focus on holding the contraction at the bottom for a moment and then slowly controlling eccentric phase as I bring the weight back up to the starting position. Now we're moving on to the seated leg extension, a great exercise to target and really focus on the quads. This movement is excellent for building strength and size in the quadriceps without needing any assistance from other muscles. To perform this exercise, aim for a controlled movement, extend your legs fully to engage the quads, hold the contraction briefly at the top, and slowly lower the weight back down to the starting position. For this workout, I recommend starting with 1 lighter warm-up set, then progressing to 3 working sets at a challenging weight, aiming for an RPE of 8 to 9 for maximum results. The last exercise in this workout is calf raises in the leg press machine. This movement is excellent for calf hypertrophy and also supports knee health by strengthening the gastrocnemius. Focus on achieving a full range of motion, press through the balls of your feet, and control the eccentric phase as you lower back down. That wraps up this workout. Great work, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.